If you're looking for a reliable, cost-efficient printer for home or small office use, the Epson EcoTank ET-2850 wireless color all-in-one is a solid choice. With its cartridge-free design and modern connectivity, it offers a perfect balance of convenience and long-term savings. One of the standout features is its EcoTank system. Instead of traditional ink cartridges, it uses refillable, high-capacity ink tanks, drastically reducing running costs. The box includes up to 2 years of ink, capable of printing up to 7,500 black pages and 6,000 color pages before needing a refill. The ET-2850 also delivers all-in-one functionality. You can print, scan, and copy with ease, while the automatic two-sided printing feature helps save paper and time. It also includes a high-resolution flatbed scanner for accurate and detailed scanning. In terms of performance, the printer produces sharp documents with up to 4800 x 1200 dpi resolution. It offers print speeds of around 10.5 pages per minute in black and 5 pages per minute in color, making it suitable for everyday document needs. For connectivity, the ET-2850 comes with built-in Wi-Fi, mobile printing support, and compatibility with apps like Apple AirPrint and Epson Smart Panel. The 1.44-inch color LCD display makes navigation easy, though it's not touchscreen. Overall, the Epson EcoTank ET-2850 is designed for those who value low printing costs, wireless flexibility, and dependable everyday performance. While it may lack advanced features like an automatic document feeder or Ethernet, it's an excellent option for frequent home and small office printing.